Hey guys, I'm Toby Boyce, Southeast Regional Sales Manager for Tige Boats. Today I'm in Beaufort, Georgia with Ben Albright, pro rider, also professional boat sales representative here at MarineMax.
Guys, I just want to show you the 2019 RZX3. It's my favorite boat to wakeboard behind. It's got an insane surfing wave, so come check it out. So guys, I'm going to start on the transom. You got the transom stereo control remote. You have an awareness camera right here, so you can safety features. You can communicate with the rider getting in and out of the water. The best part about this is the surf locker. You can fit about 3 boards in there. Keeps the seat covered in sea deck, so you don't have to step on any of your upholstery. Underneath here, you have storage. It's got 450s in the plug and play, so that's 3,000 pounds of subfloor ballast, making it 3,900 total. And you're probably wondering, if you're like me, why would anyone order black seats on a boat? But Tige's got Cool Touch material that's about 30 degrees cooler than any other vinyl that you're gonna have, including white. So standard for 2019, you have the Tige E2 Power Tower. It folds down with the switch on the back. You have the RGB lighting integrated into the tower. It goes around the speaker, which is the industry leader marine audio manufacturer, Wet Sounds. Tige's got through storage all the way from the transom up to the amplifiers, allowing you to put as many balls in there as you possibly can fit. So one of my favorite things about the seating arrangement is this flip back seat. Pull this up with this clip here. You get stadium seating all the way across, so you can observe the rider. That's how much space there is in the front of the boat. I'm 6'2", you could probably fit 3 or 4 of me up here. It's the Z-Cline, designed by Tige. Swivels, so you can face your audience when you're just hanging out in the cove. It swivels, reclines. It's super comfortable. You got armrests on both sides. Going into the screen, you have a 10.5-inch screen with easy access to all of your subheadings that you're going to use with everyday use. Surf system, switches for lighting, ballast, cruise control. You also have the smart wheel right here. And the low profile dashboard on the RZX3 keeps the visibility super crystal clear, doesn't obscure your vision when you're driving the boat. So come standard to power the RZX3 is the 6.2 liter 440 Raptor by Inmar.